Have you ever wondered that what we see is only 5% of reality? Today, we will explore truths that have remained hidden for thousands of years.
To Unveilion, where every mystery and unseen reality is revealed.
First, let's talk about the universe. Scientists say it all began with the Big Bang.
But some theories suggest there might have been more.
Ancient civilizations, like the Egyptians and Mayans, possessed advanced knowledge of the stars and cosmos.
Could it be that they uncovered secrets we have yet to understand?
Their astronomy and mathematics were so precise that even modern scientists are amazed. Before our eyes, we see only 5% of the universe. The remaining 95% remains hidden. This invisible universe is made up of dark matter and dark energy, which we cannot directly observe. Dark energy causes the universe to expand, while dark matter shapes the galaxies. Are we actually living in a designed reality? According to the simulation theory,
Our world may be an advanced computer program, and we are part of this simulation.
Ancient civilizations held knowledge far beyond what modern science initially understood.
the precision of the pyramids and Nazca lines continues to amaze scientists even today. Even today, many mysteries of the universe remain unsolved and hidden from human eyes. Scientists continue to explore dark matter, dark energy, and the unseen dimensions that surround us. Every discovery leads to more questions, more mysteries waiting to be unveiled.
Perhaps the universe is far more complex than our minds can comprehend.
And maybe what we see is only the tip of a much deeper, hidden reality. There are forces in the universe that operate silently, beyond our senses. Some scientists believe unseen dimensions may exist right beside us. These dimensions could hold secrets about time, space, and human existence. What if time does not flow the way we think it does? Some physicists say time might be an illusion created by our brains.
Everything, past, present, and future, may exist simultaneously. We simply perceive them in a linear order.
If this is true, then reality is far more complex than we imagine. Mystics and ancient philosophers also believed time is an illusion.
Is it a coincidence that modern science now agrees with them?
Across the world, people report strange experiences they cannot explain.
Dreams, déjà vu, and sudden intuition. Where do they truly come from?
Some say these moments connect us to invisible layers of reality.
Perhaps the human mind is more powerful than we realize. It may even access information from realms beyond physical space.
Some call it intuition. Others call it the subconscious. But what if it is something much greater? Something that connects us to the universe itself?
Ancient texts often describe humans as beings of light.
Modern science now studies this idea under the name biophotons.
Biophotons are tiny particles of light emitted by every living cell.
This means life itself may be communicating through light.
Ancient cultures believed the human body had an invisible energy system.
Today, science studies this under names like biofields and electromagnetic fields.
Could these fields connect us to something larger than ourselves?
Some researchers believe consciousness may not be produced by the brain. Instead, the brain may act as a receiver, picking up signals from the universe. This idea appears in both modern research and ancient wisdom.
If true, then consciousness is universal, not individual. We are all part of a single, vast field of awareness.
Some call it the cosmic mind. Others call it the collective unconscious.
For thousands of years, humans sensed this connection intuitively.
They believed everything in existence is connected by invisible threads. Modern physics now explores a similar concept through quantum entanglement. Entangled particles remain connected no matter how far apart they are. Could our thoughts travel through invisible channels across the universe? Some researchers ask, if particles can do this, why not consciousness? This might explain intuition, telepathy, and sudden knowing. We may be receiving information long before we consciously realize it. The unseen reality may be influencing us every moment of our lives. Scientists have discovered that the universe hums with a constant vibration.
This means the universe is more like a giant symphony than empty space.
Ancient cultures believed sound shaped creation itself.
Modern science now studies how vibrations affect matter.
This field is called cymatics, the science of visible sound.
Vibration may be the hidden blueprint behind the structure of reality.
Even the human body resonates with unique frequencies.
Emotions, thoughts, and states of mind all have measurable vibrations.
This raises a profound question. Can our thoughts shape reality?
Many experiments suggest that consciousness can influence physical systems. This idea appears in quantum physics, especially in the double-slit experiment.
Particles change behavior depending on whether they are observed.
This suggests consciousness and matter are deeply connected. Nothing in the universe exists independently. Everything is intertwined. Even space itself may be filled with invisible energy. Some theories call it the quantum field, the fabric of reality. Everything we see emerges from this invisible ocean of energy. Every thought, every action, every moment ripples across this field.
We are not separate from the universe. We are expressions of it.